Now we are going to derive Jacobian matrix for two-dimensional four-noded isometric element. Okay, or they will ask you in our examination. Derive stiffness matrix. Derive stiffness matrix for four-noded quadrilateral element in natural coordinate system. Okay, whatever it may be. In our examination, they ask you this type of question in two ways. One is derive stiffness matrix for a four-noded quadrilateral element in natural coordinate system, or they will ask you in another form. So derive Jacobian matrix for two-dimensional four-noded isometric element. Okay. Now we are going to derive the stiffness matrix for four-noded quadrilateral element or Jacobian matrix. Okay. Now consider a four-noded element here. Okay. I will draw here four-noded isometric element. This is x and this is y. Okay. This is four-noded isometric element. Okay, like this is four-noded isometric element. Okay, numbering is must in anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the four nodes. Okay, this is four-noded isometric element, isoparametric element, or quadrilateral element. Okay, isoparametric. Okay, this is the node 1. This point is x1, y1. This is point x2, y2. This point is x3, y3, and this is the point x4, y4. Okay. Each node, because this is the two degree of freedom system. Okay. Every node has two displacements. So one is x direction and another one is y direction, because it is a 2D body. Okay. 2D element. Okay. Every node has two degree of freedom. That is, every node has two displacements. One is in x direction and another one is y direction. Here x direction, y direction, x direction, y direction, x direction, y direction, x direction, and y direction. These are the displacement of that particular four-noded quadrilateral element or four-noded isoparametric element. Okay. Now x direction displacement we call it as u1, u2, u3, and u. These are the displacement along x direction. And y direction displacements we call it as v1, v2, v3, and v4. I am already told you that x direction displacements is u1, u2, u3, u4, and y direction displacements are v1. So here v1, v2, v3, and v4. Okay, these are the displacement for the isoparametric element or four-noded quadrilateral element. Okay, so we can write this equation, that is we are going to derive isoparametric element, that is stiffness matrix for isoparametric element, or Jacobian matrix for two-dimensional four-noded isoparametric element or four-noded quadrilateral element. Okay, whatever it may be. I'm already done a video on this shape function, how to derive shape functions for four-noded quadrilateral element for this element. Okay, I have already derived how to derive. That is, I have already done a video on how to derive a shape function for four-noded quadratic element. Please visit that video. In our description there is a link. Okay, please visit our channel also. There are so many FEM derivations is there. So please visit our videos. Okay, our channel. Now we are going to derive sequence matrix for the particular quadrilateral element. So here u1, u2, u2 and u3 are the nodal displacements along x direction. Okay, you know, I already told you that. Now v1, v2, v3 are v1, v2, v3 and v4 are the nodal displacements along y direction. Okay, now n1, so because of this reason it has four nodes. Because of this reason we got four shape functions. Okay, already I have derived first shape function for this quadrilateral element, four noded quadrilateral element. Please visit that video. Okay, so n1, n2, n3 and n4 are shape functions for four noded quadrilateral element, for four noded quadrilateral element. Okay, in natural coordinate system. Okay, now f of, let f is a function, let f is equal to x and y. Okay, let f is equal to x and y. We can write this equation f is equal to, in terms of natural coordinate system with the global coordinate system, f of x of j and data, comma y of j and data. You can write this equation to like this. Now differentiate this entire equation with respect to j. Dou f by dou j, it is equal to, by using chain rule. Okay, here we are using chain rule. Okay, dou f by dou x into dx into dou j plus dou f by dou y plus into dou y by dou j. Okay, next dou f by dou eta, it is equal to dou f by dou x into dx, dou f by dou x into dou x by dou eta plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou eta. Okay, now write this entire equation in matrix form. This can be written as dou f by dou j, dou f by dou eta. You can write this equation into, let's write it into some 4x4 matrix into dou f by dou x into dou f by dou y. Okay, some matrix is there. Such matrix is dou x by dou j into dou y by dou j, and here for dou f by dou j, dou x by dou eta into dou y by dou eta. So this is the Jacobian matrix. Okay, this equation we got as Jacobian matrix. Okay, So that can be written as dou F by dou J. Okay, dou F by dou J. It is equal to Jacobian matrix J. It is into dou F by dou X into dou F by dou Y. Okay, this matrix is called as Jacobian matrix. Have you okay, this matrix is called as Jacobian matrix. Okay, I will show you that equation. Okay, this matrix is called as Jacobian matrix. Okay, now that is when J is equal to right here dou X is dou X by dou J, dou Y by dou J, dou X by dou eta, dou Y by dou eta. Okay, this is the Jacobian matrix for the element. Okay, now we know that strain is equal to strain can be written as in terms of displacement. We can write this equation dou U by dou X, dou V by dou Y, dou U by dou Y, dou V by dou X. This is the strain equation. Okay, this is our strain equation. We can write this. We can find out individually dou U by dou X, dou V by dou Y, and dou U by dou Y plus. So this is strain equation. And next, this equation can be written as it is in terms of this can be that is I am sending this Jacobian matrix into in outside. Okay, we can write this equation. This equation can be written as dou F by. So I will write here because space is important. That's why I write here. Okay, dou F by dou X into dou F by dou Y. This is the equation. So I'm sending the J into outside. Okay, J inverse and outside it will become J inverse. Okay, into this equation, that is dou F by dou J into dou F by dou eta. Okay, here are postulates. Okay, now this equation can be written as J inverse. Can write here. So we can after some simplification I will write this equation. Please write this equation. Okay, so just some simplification. After some simplifications then I will write. So first we simplify this equation. So that is equal to just send it to outside. Then we will get dou F by dou X into dou F by dou Y. It is equal to J inverse into it is equal to J inverse into dou F by dou J dou F by dou eta. This is what we are writing. Okay, now apply J inverse. We know that this component is J11, J12, J22, sorry, 21, this is J22. Okay. Now apply J inverse. J inverse means 1 by beta of J into. You know that this equation I will write here. J, what is J? J is equal to J11, J12, J13, sorry, 21, J2. Okay, we know that. Okay. So here J11 means dou x by dou j. J12 means to dou y by dou j. J21 is dou x by dou eta. J22 j f by jf by. This is jf by, sorry, dou y by dou eta. Okay, these are all x and y. Okay. Once again, J11 means dou x by dou j, and J12 means dou y by dou j. J21 means that is dou x by dou eta. J22 dou y by dou j here. Okay. Now delta of j means, so that one j inverse means 1 by delta j into j1, j22 and j11 minus j12 into j minus j21. This is the inversion, that is not an equation. Okay. Total formula for j inverse 1 by delta j into, so some crossing j22 here, j11 here. Okay. And apply minus to cross. Okay. Apply rest. We will get j inverse here 1 by j into j22 minus j12 by j12 minus j21 j11 into this dou j dou f by dou j dou f by dou. Now replace f into, now replace f is equal to u. Okay, we will get that is extension space. Okay, I will write replace f equal to u. Okay, we will get x is u displacement. Okay, now here in this equation, okay, this equation is dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y. Okay, this equation, okay, entire equation. Now we will get dou u by dou x in the form in f, replace u. Okay, dou u by dou y 1 by that j into j22 minus j12 j22 minus j12 minus j21 j11 into dou u by dou j dou u by, in the place of f we replace with the u. Okay, dou u by dou u. This is equation number a. Okay, now replace f is equal to v. We will get another equation. Okay, integral of, that is bracket apply, dou v by dou x by dou v by dou y is equal to 1 by j matrix. This is the j matrix. Okay, into j22 minus j12 minus j21 j11. Okay, into v dou v by dou j. Okay, dou v by dou j. Okay, this is equation number 3. Okay, I have already told you that strain is equal to, it is in the form of strain, it is equal to dou u by dou x and dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou v by dou x. It is equal to, this is the strain equation, actually strain equation. Okay, I will write, I will show you entire equation. Okay, now substitute all those values. Dou u by dou x is here. 1 by 3 common, so that's why I write here commonly. Okay, into. Okay, first dou u by dou x. Here dou u by dou x only I will write in middle, so because appearance is not good. Dou u by dou x, dou v by dou y. Okay, first initially dou u by dou x. In this two equation, here only dou u by dou x. This equation 1 by j of dou j double 2, and I will write here some matrix into dou u by dou by dou j into dou u by dou eta into dou u by dou j, right, small, dou u by dou j here, dou u by dou eta, and this one dou v by dou j, and this one dou v by dou eta. Okay, this is the fourth form here. Okay, we will get 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, first we have to find out, we have to write here dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x here is there. Okay, only here is there. So there is no component in this also. So that's why we will write only j22 and j22 and minus j12, and remaining components are 0. Okay. Next, dou v by dou y here is there only. So dou v by dou y here. So these components are j minus j2 with respect to dou v. Okay, that means 0 only dou v by dou j, dou v by dou j, dou v by dou j, dou eta, dou u by dou j. Okay, the value of the minus j21 here j11. Okay, next we have to write dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x. Dou u by dou y in the immediate it has a value. Dou u by dou y means minus j21 and j11. Okay, plus here dou v by dou x here is it j22 and minus j12. This is the finally we got strain equation. Okay, I will derive in outside remaining component. I will write here. Next, we have to find out dou u by dou j. Here I will show you how to find out those values. Okay, you know that here I will write here since trace is there, so that's why I write here. You know that u and v equations are u is equal to n1 u1 plus n2 u2 plus n3 u3. That means dou u by this equation, dou u by dou j, that is dou u by dou j means dou n1 by dou j u1 plus dou n2 by dou j into u2 plus dou n3 by dou j into u3 plus dou n4 by dou j. I will erase all those things. u4 and 1 u1 plus n2 u2 and 3 u3 plus n4 u. Okay. Now dou u by dou b by dou j, dou u by dou eta, dou u by dou eta, you can write dou n1 by dou eta u1 plus dou n2 by dou eta u2 plus dou n3 by dou eta into u3 plus dou n3 dou n4 by dou eta into this. Now you can write this dou v by dou j, dou v by dou j, it is equal dou n1 by, you know that this is u equation, v equation also same. Okay, that is v is equal to n1 v1 plus n2 v2 plus n3 v3, so like that. So I will write here v in terms of v. Okay, dou j by v1 plus I will write here two equations. So because you will confuse. Okay, that's why I will write it. Two equations. So u is equal to n1 u1 plus n2 u2 plus n3 u3 plus n4 u4, and v is equal to n1 v1 plus n2 v2 plus n3 v3 plus n4 v4. So I am already written dou u by dou j and dou u by dou a. Okay, now I am writing dou v by dou j and dou v by dou j. Okay, now I am writing dou v by dou j plus dou n1 by n2 by dou j into v2 plus dou n3 by dou j into v3 plus dou n3 and 4 v4 sorry dou j into v4. Okay, now you can write dou v by dou eta. Okay, dou v by dou eta is equal to dou n1 by dou eta into v1 plus dou n2 by dou eta into v2 plus dou n3 by dou eta into v3 plus dou n4 by dou eta into v4. Okay, that is these equations we can write in shape functions. Okay, in the shape functions we can write like this. Now find out all those values here. Okay, so for example, first we have to find out dou j by, so dou n1 by dou j dou n by dou j, that is equal to dou by dou j of, so n1 we know that 1 by 4 into 1 minus j into 1 minus j into 1 plus I think 1 minus eta. Okay, okay, now after differentiation, you will get it has minus 1. Differentiation minus 1, 1 by 4, that is 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus j. Okay? This is minus 1 multiplied 1 minus 1 by 4 into component multiplied with component, that is 1 minus j. Now find out, that is I am find it only n1 in j. So now n1 data also find out. That is dou by dou j of 1 by 4 into 1 minus j into 1 minus eta. Oh, so it will become after, sorry, this is eta. Okay, after differentiation, we will get this is also minus 1. We will get minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus j. Okay, now take this for second statement. Dou n2 by dou j is equal to dou by dou j of n2 1 by 4 into 1 plus j into 1 minus j. Okay, now differentiate with respect to j value. Okay, you will get, I think it will not appear. So here write here dou by dou j of, sorry, n2 by dou j, it is equal to dou by dou j of n2 means 1 by 4 of, already I have done for this, I have done a video on this shape function, into 1 minus, sorry, 1 plus j into 1 minus j. Okay, now differentiate with respect to j. After there is differentiation, we will get 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 minus eta. Okay, this one is its value is, this value is constant, but the j value is 1. Okay, that's why I take it here. Now n2 by dou eta is equal to dou by dou j of dou eta of 1 by 4 into, so 1 plus j into 1 minus eta, so 1 minus eta. So after integrate, sorry, after differentiation we will get, it has a minus 1, that is minus 1 by 4 into 1 plus j. Okay, now at node 3, sorry, shape function 3, dou n3 by dou j is equal to, it is equal to dou by dou j of, so 3 is 1 by 4 into 1 plus j into 1 plus j. Okay, we will get, after differentiation, we will get 1 by 4 of 1 plus eta, because j is 1. Okay, now dou n3 by dou j, sorry, dou eta, it is equal to dou by dou eta of 1 by 4 1 plus j into 1 plus eta. Okay, now integrate, we will get 1 by 4 into 1 plus j. Okay, now at node 3, shape function 4, dou by dou j is equal to dou by dou j of m4, that is 1 by 4 into, that is 1 minus j into 1 plus j, sorry, 1 plus eta. Okay, now differentiate with respect to j, that is we will get minus 1 by 4 into 1 plus eta. Next, dou m4 by dou eta is equal to dou by dou eta of 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 minus j into 1 plus eta. We will get, after differentiation, we will get with with respect to 8 I, it will be 1, that is 1 by 4, 1 minus, we got all the values. So here is node 1, here node 2, here node 3, we got all those shape functions differentiation with respect to its natural coordinate system J and okay, this entire equation can be written as this entire equation, epsilon equation. Okay, already I have right there, so please write here dou u by dou x dou u by dou x dou v by dou y and dou v by dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x. It is equal to 1 by let j into j22, that is I will write directly here, so I am eliminating this component, so just for my purpose only. Okay, just I will erasing this equation. Okay, so there is no space, that's why I am erasing. Just I am writing directly. Epsilon is equal to 1 by let j of is equal to epsilon means right here dou u by dou x dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x. It is equal to 1 by that j into, so some matrix previously mentioned, that is j22 minus j12 0 0 0 0 minus j21 j11 and j minus j21 j11 and j22 and here minus j21. Okay, into, you know that dou j by dou u and dou j by dou eta by, so okay, I will write all the total equation here in matrix form. We can write this equation, this entire equation we can write this entire equation into there is no space. How can I write here? This entire, that is dou u, you know that dou u by dou x is equal to, okay, this is the entire equation. In terms of matrix form we can write. So I am erasing here. Okay, this is erasing. So because I need space, that's it. Okay, 1 by, I will directly write here epsilon is equal to, directly writing here, I am writing directly Jacobi matrix 1 by that j is into that j into j22 minus j12 0 0 0 0 minus j21 and j11 and here minus j21 j11 j22 minus j12, okay, into dou u, these are the components. Okay, so here we can write something matrix into u1 v1 u2 v2. So 8 by 8 matrix we get 8 by 8 matrix, that will be u3 v3 u4 v4. Okay, into you can write here dou n1 by dou n1 by dou j and 0 dou n2 by dou j 0 dou n3 by dou j 0. So not possible. So I will arrange all those things. Okay, because there is no space, that's why. So please only this component I am taking. Okay, so right here this can be matrix from dou u by dou j, dou u by dou v by dou y, dou eta, dou eta, dou u by dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x. You can write only, I am taking this only, okay, because there is no space, that's it. So I will write here, okay, dou n1 by dou j 0 dou n2 by dou j 0 dou n3 by dou j 0 dou n4 by dou j 0 dou, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that's it. Okay, next 0 dou n1 by dou into so displacements u1 v1 u2 v2 u3 v3 u4 v4. Okay, n1 into eta 0 dou n2 dou eta 0 dou n3 dou eta 0 dou n4 dou eta. Okay, now fourth component. Okay, now dou n by dou n1 by dou eta dou n1 by dou j. Okay, dou n2 by second one, dou n2 by dou eta dou n2 by dou j, dou n3 by dou eta dou n3 by dou j, dou n4 by dou eta dou n4 by dou j. Okay, so substitute all values here. Okay, we will get, finally we will get this equation dou n1 by dou j. Here is 1 by 4 into 1 minus eta. Okay, next 0 n2 by j here, sorry, n1 by j here I am finding here 1 by minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 1 minus eta and next 0. Okay, next n2 by j here 1 by 4 1 minus j, next 0, next n3 by j that is 1 by 4 1 plus eta and next 0, next n4 j minus 1 by 4 1 plus j into u1 u2 v2 u3 v3 u4 v4. Okay, 0. Next component n1 and n1 eta. N1 eta is 1 by 4 1 minus j. 1 by 4 1 minus j. Okay. Next 0. n2 by eta. n2 by eta is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 1 plus j. Next 0. Next n3 by eta. n3 by eta this one 1 by 4 1 plus eta. Okay. Next 4 zeros. Okay, one more 0 is there. I will write here. U1, U1, U2, U2, U3, U3, U4, U4. Okay. Next 0. Next last component is n4 dou n4 by dou eta. Dou n4 by dou eta is 1 by 4 1 by 4 1 minus j. Okay. Next third this equation dou n1 by dou eta. Dou n1 by dou eta. Once again dou n1 by dou eta. Once again. Sorry. So there is no period. So the right question downward direction. Bottom I will write because some. So I will write again I will write here. Dou u by dou j. Dou u by dou eta and dou v by dou j and dou v by dou eta is equal to some 8 by 8 matrix into U1, U1, U2, U2, U3, U3, U4, U4. Okay. That is this equation becomes we can write here n1 j1 n1 dou n1 by dou j 0 dou n2 by dou j 0 dou n3 by dou j 0 dou n4 by dou j 0. Okay. Next dou n1 by here also u dou n1 by dou eta 0 dou n2 by dou eta 0 dou n3 by dou eta 0 dou n4 by dou eta 0. Okay. Next just write these three equations, these four equations. This is equation number C 4 C D E F right here from equation C D E and F. Okay, we can write this. Now this one is 0. Here there is no u component, that's why I write it here. Dou n1 by dou j and 0 dou n2 by dou j 0 dou n3 by dou j 0 dou n3 by dou n4 by dou j. Okay. Next one 0 dou n1 by dou eta 0 dou n2 by dou eta 0, dou n3 by dou eta 0, dou n4 by dou eta. Okay, 4 zeros. Okay, so previously I done some mistakes. I forget this equation, so that's why I got only 3 equations. Here I taken all those values. Okay, so now substitute all these values here. Okay, that is equal to dou n1 by dou j is dou n1 by dou j. So minus 1 by 4, 1 minus eta, next 0, next n2 by j. n2 j is 1 by 4, 1 minus j, m minus eta, n3 j. j is 0, n3 j is 1 by 4, 1 plus eta, next value is 0, next n4 value, n4 j, that is 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 plus eta to 0, next to 0, next value 0. Okay, next n1 by eta, n1 eta here minus 1 by 4, 1 minus j 0, next n2 eta here minus 1 by 4, 1 plus j. Okay, next 0, next n3 eta, that is 1 by 4 into 1 plus j. Next n3 eta 0, n3 eta 1 by 4, 1 minus j. Okay, minus j. Next value 0, next n1 by j, n1 by j value is n1 by j is minus 1 by 4, 1 minus eta, and next value n2 j is here 1 by 4, 1 minus eta, and next this value 0. Next 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus eta, next 0, and 3j 1 by 4, 1 plus eta, next 0, and 3j and 4j, that is minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4, 1 plus j, sorry 1 plus eta, 1 plus minus 1 by 4, 1 plus eta. Okay, next value. So have you appearing? Okay, next this one is 0. Next this value is down to beta, that is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1 minus j. Next value 0. Next dou and by dou eta, that is minus 1 by 4, 1 plus j. Next 0. Next value 1 by 4, 1 plus j. Next 0. Next value 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus j. Okay, this is actually only this component. Okay, now substitute all those equations. I will write here in down. Final equation I will write here. So epsilon x is equal to what is it? Dou e by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y. is equal to, sorry, this one, this is y, this component is x. You can write this equation, that is 1 by delta j into delta j into j22 minus j12 0 0 and 0 0 minus j21 j11 minus j21 j11 j22 minus j12. Okay, into you know that this is the components, 4 components we got, so 4 by 4 matrix. So substitute all those values. Minus 1 by 4, 1 minus theta, 0, 1 by 4, 1 minus theta, 0, 1 plus 4, 1 plus theta, 0, minus 1 by 4, 1 minus theta, 0. So I will write in small because space is more important. 0, 1 by 4, 1 minus theta, 0, 1 by 4, 1 plus theta, 0, next is 0, minus 1 by 4, 1 minus theta, 0. Okay, next is value v1 v1, u2 v2, u3 u3 and u4 u4 and u4 v4. Okay, have you? Okay, next value is minus 1 by 4 minus 0 minus 1 by 4 1 by 3 0 1 by 4 1 plus 3 0 1 by 4 1 minus 3 0 minus 0 minus 1 by 4 1 minus 1 minus theta, next 0 1 by 4 1 minus theta, 1 by 4 1 minus theta, next 0 1 by 4 1 plus theta, 0 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 1 plus theta. Okay, next this is 0, this value is minus 1 by 4 1 by 1 minus j, this is 0 minus 1 by 4 1 plus j, 0 1 by 4 1 plus j, 0 1 by 4 1 minus j. Okay, this is the matrix, entire matrix. Okay, we got like this. Okay, here this is becomes this is equation, this equation is like E is equal to B into Q. Okay, E is equal to B into Q. B, where B matrix is 1 by j, this entire equation is called as B matrix. Okay, strain displacement matrix, B matrix, this is B matrix. Just like epsilon x is equal to B into Q. Okay, this matrix will become B into Q. So this is our displacement matrix. Okay, got like this. If you want to find out stiffness, if you want to find stiffness, 1 by 4 is also common, all those components, so we can write in outside also. So next step we can write it is outside. Okay, now stiffness for the particular we can write it OX into V transpose. You can, okay, stiffness matrix is equal to V transpose T of integral of, I will write here, I will write here. Okay, you can, already we got V matrix. Okay, now we can find stiffness. K is equal to T into integral double integral B transpose D into B into dou x into dou y. This is the stiffness matrix. So already we got B matrix. Okay, this is B matrix. Okay, this is B matrix. Okay, so B matrix already you know that. I will remove 1 by 4 value. 1 by 4 value. In outside I will write in outside. Okay. So here is 1 by 4 I am removing. Here also I am removing. Here also I am removing. Here also I am removing. Here also. Here also. Because common product for all those components. Okay, that's why I will not mention all the components. So finally we will write here. Okay, you can 1 by 4 into, okay, minus this positive, this is negative. Okay, these two components we will have. Okay, this is just two. All components having 1 by 4. That's why I write outside. This is our final equation. If you got B matrix, we can calculate easily stiffness matrix. So this is final our equation. Finally, we got this equation. Okay. This is very difficult to understand this type of problems, this type of derivations. Okay, so please practice all those because space is very important. That's why I'm arranging so many times. Okay. In our examinations, so they will ask you in our question paper, derive stiffness matrix for 4-noded quadratic element in natural coordinate system, or derive Jacobian matrix for 2-dimensional 4-noded isoparametric element. Okay, whatever it may be, what he asked. So please do this total derivation. Okay, this is very essential equation, as an important equation also. Please practice.